Welcome to a crucial discussion on a topic that affects us all, and that's saving and investing. And whether you choose to tuck your money into a savings account or dive headfirst into the world of investments, there's no universal right or wrong choice. But the key lies in understanding your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, guiding you towards the right path, be it saving, investing, or even a mix of both. All right, so let's dive on in. Let's begin with savings, a haven for those seeking certainty and low risk. A savings account is a pot of money that you pay into that earns you interest, usually on a monthly basis. And while the interest rate may be fixed or variable, one thing is for sure, your money is safe as long as the bank stands, right? Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, also known as the FDIC, ensures your money is protected up to $250,000, okay, in case your bank faces any type of trouble. But what are the upsides and the downsides? So the pros of savings accounts are quite appealing. They are almost always risk-free and straightforward, offering a predetermined interest rate. And assessing your money is usually hassle-free, allowing you to withdraw funds as you need them. However, there are some cons too. Savings returns often pale in comparison to the best performing investments. And you might face penalties for early withdrawals or minimum balance requirements. Now, let's dive into the dynamic world of investing where you're not just saving, you're actually buying a piece of a company or a commodity like gold, oil, or art. Now, what's the goal? To watch your investments grow in value, potentially generating profits when you decide to sell. Plus, you might even earn a share of the company's profit through dividends, okay? But here's the catch. Investments, they come with risks. But investing often offers numerous advantages. And if your investment performs well, it can outshine the best savings accounts and help you fight inflation as well. And on top of that, dividends can even provide you with an income stream. And some employers contribute to your investments, like via 401k plans, right? Almost kind of like a pay raise. But of course, there are downsides. Investments carry inherent risk, and you might lose part or all of your money. And trading fees and management expenses, they can eat into your returns as well. And investing often requires a long-term commitment. So the big question is, which path should you choose? Is it saving or investing? Well, the answer isn't universal. It actually depends on your risk tolerance, your accessibility needs, and your understanding of financial product or the financial product in question. But if you're the type who loses sleep over the thought of your cash losing value, or you need quick access to your funds, savings might be your best bet. However, if you're willing to accept some risk, have a long-term investment horizon, and understand the complex world of investments, you might find that the stock market, indexing, or commodities can provide better returns than savings. But in the end, the decision between saving and investing rests squarely on your shoulders. It's a deeply personal choice, okay? And understanding your own financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon is the key to making the right choice for your unique circumstances. If you found this information valuable, please like and share this video and tell us in the comments what's your preference between the two. Is it saving or investment? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into financial planning and strategies for securing your financial future. After all, the choice between saving and investing might be yours, but the future is yours to shape.